My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online pop-ups which are fake Chrome update alerts, and these pop-ups come from the site Storemostlatesttheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive website attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Depending on the original settings, these extensions may function as adware or as browser hijackers. If they operate as adware, this means you will start getting a lot of pop-ups that will keep attacking your screen from time to time. If they work as browser hijackers, they may actually change some crucial browser settings, for instance the default homepage, default search engine, and some other settings too. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, go to the menu, More Tools, then Extensions. So now you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend researching your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your system in order to detect and delete all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.